Jennga just informed me that she would like a chef.
Only because I don't want to clean up.
So that it will cook and clean. So.
Mostly clean up. I like cooking.
So you want a dishwasher. Not an actual dishwasher like we have.
Rude.
You want a dishwasher.
That's rude.
It's not really rude, it's a job. So Jennga made us dinner. She made us chicken and beans and corn and potatoes. It was good.
One of your favorites?
It was one of my favorites. So I'm gonna try to work on getting Jeng a dishwasher. So I'm gonna have to make some more money. You know, most people who can afford a one-bedroom apartment can afford a chef and a dishwasher, I think. So.
I don't need a chef. I cook just fine.
Oh, she doesn't need a chef. I apologize. Just someone to clean it.